They're in the conference room. Yes. I think they're talking to Cindy.
They've got to be later. I'm in o'clock, so we'll call the morning meeting to order. Kelly, would you like to do a roll call?
Here's it. Yeah. Walker. Good. Herb. Present. Stewart.
Present.
And Webster. Oh, here.
Approval of the minutes.
Agenda.
Agenda, I'm sorry. Approval of the agenda of the meeting.
Would anybody like to make a motion to amend the agenda?
I'll move to approve the, amend the agenda in regards to the court reporter. Because of the mistakes that were in there that, and the length of it, I would, suggest that we move the approval to, a later date. So I would remove the court reporter official minutes from the agenda and approve it at a later date.
Well, I think that the court reporter number 4 is simply to appoint the court reporter as the official minute keeper for this meeting.
Okay,
You're speaking of the approval of the minutes of the prior meetings of October 2 and October 23.
just the
Just the transcript.
of October 2nd, the other 2 minutes, fine.
Okay.
Because we have 4 sets of minutes, I mean, we basically get 3 sets. You have 3 sets.
Right.
Yeah, so just the court reporter, minutes of October 2nd.
Would be considered at the next meeting after you've had a
Yeah.
chance to print it up and review
Yes.
in detail what the transcript changes would be.
Yes,
So what about the agenda for this meeting though?
other than that, I would approve the agenda as.
Can you get a motion on the table to approve the agenda as printed presently?
Second.
No, voice vote. All those in favor? All those opposed? Motion carries 5-0.
So now we're going to take a motion with regard to the, everything the motion is regarding the official minutes being those reported by the court reporter.
Don't we have to go into
To approve the minutes from October.
October 2nd, we have to approve those minutes from.
So
I-
you repeat the October.
I have some corrections of the October 2nd meeting. On page 2, third paragraph, it is a typo, there's a colon between 296. Yeah, and Lakeland is a colon. Also, if you read that second sentence, I think there's too many that stop in there.
All right.
So you can remove one of those.
Yeah.
Okay, on the 2, 3, and 4, 5th paragraph, starting with Holly. In regards to the second line, starting the second sentence, she, I think it believes. Spelled incorrectly. On the next paragraph down, starting with Christine, I think there's too many fields this in there. It doesn't read quite correctly. Margaret, that field, this decision was wrongly, so I think the second field, this should be removed.
Okay.
That's all I have. That's all I do. That's all I have.
But then you had some corrections in the transcript from the October 2 meeting that you want to address at the next meeting.
Yes, I mean, there are several in here, so again, it's a little lengthy for me to, it would take us for an hour.
So put that in the form of a motion so they can vote on it to
Okay,
approve
so
the.
we have to approve October 2nd?
Yes.
Okay,
Am I to be corrected, after that Holly Engel paragraph is Chris Dean, not Dean?
oh. Okay, I didn't know that was his name.
Thank you.
Okay, we have a motion to approve the October 2nd.
As amended, so moved. Yes, we'll do the transcript of the October second meeting at our next meeting. So now if we need to look at the October 23rd minutes.
Hold on, make sure you get a vote that you're going to approve the transcript of the October 2 meeting at the next meeting.
Sure.
Before,
Thank you.
All those in favor?
Fine.
All those opposed? Motion carries 5-0.
Now the October 23rd minutes.
no, after we do the
So moved.
nothing.
Second, motion 5.
Yes.
45. All those in favor? All those opposed?
Here's myself.
Okay. Motion carries 4-0.
Next item is the chair will entertain a motion. They have official minutes of the meeting, and those reported by the court.
You need a motion?
Yeah.
So moved.
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
All those opposed? Motion carries 5-0.
Okay, the public comment on items not related to the litigation of Saugatuck postal line at the North Shores of Saugatuck Township. Chair opens meeting to accept comments not related to the SDCA and NSS in the Saugatuck Township case. Any comments? Okay. Unfinished business, request for appeal of the planning commission's preliminary approval of the PUD site condo and SAU approval of the North Shores of Saugatuck LLC. The board are waiting for written decision by the judge on recording the ruling of the township's motion for clarification and receiving public comment. Did you want to do a summary or? All right, sure. We had the prior order of Judge Roberts Kingus that Judge Antoth and Kobiak relied upon and prepared an order for this staff council to prepare an order, and the judge will be signing that order based upon the motion for clarification that was filed by the township. It's important that this board have the exact language of the order before it takes any action on the judge's decision. Not all of the board members, ZBA members, were at the proceedings which occurred on Monday, and it would be what do I want to say, unwise for the board to take any action whatsoever with regard to the judge's decision, which he spoke orally to the judge, but the judge's written order is what really is important. So that's the present status of the legal proceeding. The result will be taking no vote or action on the issue. And, Cindy will read Judge Kangus's order, the original order now, which is the basis for what Judge and Kobiak concluded.
Yeah, this was the hearing on April 24, 2003. The court conducted a hearing regarding the appellant's motion to strike, at which all parties were in attendance. In lieu of issuing a decision regarding the appellant's motion to strike, the court hereby remands these cases to Saugatuck Township Zoning Board of Appeals, ZBA, pursuant to section MCL 125.3606 number 2, and the Michigan Supreme Court decision in the Saugatuck Dunes Coastal Alliance versus Saugatuck Township, 509 Mich. 561, 2002. This court, for reasons stated on record, determined that the record is inadequate to make the review required by MCL 125-3605 and MCL 125-36061, and finds that the additional material evidence exists that was with good reason was not presented to the ZBA. The ZBA is instructed to decide if the Saugatuck Dunes Coastal Alliance has standing to appeal the decision of the Planning Commission based on the test announced in the above cited Supreme Court decision. The ZBA is also instructed to consider the evidence submitted to it previously and also any additional material evidence that good reason was not presented previously for the purposes of analyzing standing, and to follow the procedure outlined in MCL 125-3606, number 2. And it's signed by Robert Skindon, Circuit Judge.
The chair invites counsel, if you wish, to comment on the status of the case at present. Well, open the public hearing and then entertain a motion to open the public hearing. Okay. The public hearing is open. Does anyone have any comments? Something to say? Take a vote on the motion. Sorry.
All those in favor?
Aye.
All those opposed? Motion carries 5-0.
Anyone wish to speak?
Motion to close the hearing.
I think we just need to make a comment. We would allow counsel each 5 minutes for their presentation and individuals to speak for up to 3 minutes. So is there any counsel that would wish to speak? Any other counsel? No. So then we can open it up to the members of the public. Is there anybody from the audience who wants to make a comment or a public comment? Anybody on Zoom?
The chair will entertain a motion to close the public hearing. Oh,
Check out people on Zoom. No one.
anybody on Zoom?
No one wants to comment. No one wants to comment? Then you can entertain a motion. Yes? Is that you?
Yes.
Second.
Okay. All those in favor? All those opposed? Okay, motion carries 5-0.
And there is no new business. Motion to adjourn.
So,
Second.
All those in favor? All those opposed?
Adjourn.
Motion carries 5-0.